Rejection. A word that stings, frustrates, and leaves us questioning our worth. But what if every no you've ever faced wasn't a setback, but a hidden opportunity? What if rejection was your greatest teacher, pushing you toward a better version of yourself? Marcus Aurelius believed that obstacles aren't meant to stop us, they're meant to redirect us. In today's video, you'll discover 13 stoic lessons that transform rejection into your superpower. By the end, you'll not only face rejection without fear, but you'll also learn to thrive because of it. Let's dive into this transformative journey together. When someone dismisses you, it's tempting to prove them wrong or demand their recognition. But Marcus Aurelius would advise otherwise. Rise above. Ignoring those who reject you isn't about pretending they don't exist. It's about showing that their opinion doesn't define your value. Imagine holding a mirror up to their actions, reflecting their insignificance in your journey. Use that silence to invest in yourself instead. When you stop feeding energy into negativity, you reclaim your strength, focus, and sense of purpose. Rejection often triggers strong emotional reactions, anger, sadness, or even a desire for revenge. Yet, as Epictetus reminds us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Instead of letting emotions take control, pause and reflect. Reframe rejection as a moment to learn rather than a reason to lash out. Remaining calm not only protects your peace, but also demonstrates a resilience that earns respect. Calmness in the face of rejection isn't just a reaction, it's a statement of strength. When someone rejects you, it's easy to let their actions linger in your mind, replaying the moment over and over. Detachment is the Stoic's antidote. It's not about pretending the rejection didn't happen. It's about choosing not to let it define you. Marcus Aurelius spoke of focusing on what's within our control and letting go of the rest. Think of rejection as a weight. The longer you hold on to it, the heavier it feels. Let it go, and you'll find freedom and clarity to move forward. Every rejection carries a lesson, if you're willing to see it. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." What can rejection teach you? Perhaps it's a sign to improve a skill, adjust your approach, or seek opportunities more aligned with your purpose. Rejection is not failure, it's feedback. Use it as a stepping stone, and you'll turn every closed door into an invitation to grow stronger. Dwelling on rejection wastes energy that could be spent building something remarkable. Marcus Aurelius believed that challenges aren't meant to defeat us, but to direct us toward our true path. Instead of fixating on the no, focus on your yes. What goals can you pursue? What passions can you deepen? Rejection isn't the end. It's a redirection. Use it to double down on your dreams and show the world what you're truly capable of. Rejection can make us feel unworthy, but only if we allow it. Marcus Aurelius teaches that our worth comes from within, not from others' opinions. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. The opinions of others are fleeting, but your self-respect is permanent. Define your value by your principles, actions, and growth, not by someone else's inability to see your potential. Rejection often feels like the end of a road, but it's actually a nudge toward a better path. Marcus Aurelius embraced the inevitability of change, urging us to see it as part of nature's course. Rejection is life's way of saying, not this way, but try another. Like water that flows around obstacles, learn to adapt. Trust that every rejection is a redirection towards something better suited for your growth and success. Rejection is uncomfortable, but it's also a powerful teacher. The Stoics believed in practicing voluntary discomfort to prepare for life's challenges. Each rejection you face strengthens your ability to endure adversity. Think of it as mental training, like lifting weights for your mind. Over time, you'll find that what once hurt you now builds you, turning rejection into a catalyst for resilience and strength. Gratitude for rejection might sound counterintuitive, but consider this. Rejection saves you from wasting time on paths that aren't meant for you. It frees you to focus on opportunities that align with your true purpose. Say thank you to rejection, not out of bitterness, but out of recognition that it's clearing the way for something greater. Gratitude transforms rejection from a burden into a blessing. Rejection often reveals who truly values you. The people who stay with you through challenges, who cheer for your successes, and comfort you in failures. These are the ones worth keeping close. Marcus Aurelius emphasized the importance of surrounding yourself with those who align with your values. Let rejection act as a filter, helping you curate a circle of genuine supporters and friends. Seeking approval from others can be exhausting and unfulfilling. Marcus Aurelius reminds us to live according to our virtues, not the fleeting opinions of others. Let go of the need to be liked or validated. True freedom comes when you stop living for others and start living authentically for yourself. At the core of Stoicism is this: focus on what you can control and release what you can't. Rejection, that's external, beyond your control. Your response, that's internal, and it's entirely up to you. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind." By mastering your reactions, you gain the ultimate strength, freedom from the opinions and actions of others. Rejection isn't a dead end. It's a stepping stone. It redirects, refines, and reveals what's truly meant for you. Take these 13 lessons from Marcus Aurelius and embrace rejection as your superpower. If you're ready to stop fearing no and start thriving, comment below with "I accept the challenge." And don't forget to subscribe for more Stoic wisdom that will transform your life. Let's make rejection the beginning of something extraordinary.